Hi, I'm Swati Butola. I'm a finance transformation consultant and I've been part of this 9-month digital transformation program at XLRI. It has been a wonderful experience and I'm amazed by the resourcefulness of the professors, the faculties and the industry practitioners whom we got a chance to interact with and share their knowledge, make this a very holistic experience for us. It has given me and deepened my understanding about a holistic view on transformation. I am also very amazed by the diverse cohort that we had from different industries, from different career paths coming together and making this a very beautiful experience for everybody. The campus immersion at XLRI was a wonderful experience. Group learning was a major part of this immersion and it is insightful to see professionals coming from different industries and backgrounds together, and it has deepened my understanding about a holistic view of transformation. Immersion is very important because it helps you in face-to-face interactions. There is more collaborations, better collaboration, bringing together the diverse cohort that we have. Plus, it gives a very learning atmosphere being here at XLRI. So it has been a wonderful journey. And I would say it is just the beginning, right? This is not the end to the program. It's just the beginning of our transformation journey, and we would be able to do much value add in the industry. Inspiring.